ain't supposed to be there. Now, we're not going to sit here and talk about why I've been going or where I've been. Just know I'm trying to fix this piece of crap and that one back there so I can have a daily. And I finally got that one started and that was smoking. So we're moving over to working on this one. I had to get a new exhaust because this piece of crap right here is freaking loose. And it's the third or second time it's came loose. And I'm also having a leak up there by the water pipe. So I have this right here I'm going to put on the gaskets. And if this doesn't fix it, then I'll just probably end up having to buy a new wall pipe, unfortunately. But I did go ahead and get the the new G37 sedan exhaust. As y'all know, this one right here is a 370Z one. You have to get it custom fit, but this one should bolt right up without any problems. And this one has burnt my bumper right here. There's a fat hole in it. So hopefully I don't have to, hopefully it's not noticeable or nothing, but as y'all can see, it's kind of offset right there. But it should be fixed after I throw this exhaust on. So our first time trying to throw it is also on a car as well. So we're going to see how this works. I'm going to go ahead and jack this car up real quick. Now I'm up under here. As y'all can see, look at this huge freaking exhaust leak. I didn't even know it was that big. It's really not even up there. I'm probably not going to have to take this out the hanger. But on the new exhaust, it's bolted up right here. And on this one, it's not. So I mean, I guess the only spot I have to undo it is right down there by the watt pipe. And unbolt these hangers. So I think I'm going to unbolt these hangers first. It looks like I don't think I have to worry about that one. That one's fucking broke. I think I'll just do this one and that one first. And then just unbolt it from down there. And I think I'm going to take off that watt pipe and put some of that gas sealer around there. Because I think it's leaking down there as well. Oh shit. Can't get copywritten. Look at this. I literally... Bro. This literally just bends right off right here. Y'all can see how this exhaust is just poorly welded up. They didn't, I should have actually took it to a real shop to get it done. And where's that, what did I do with that? The freaking gasket. It literally was all blown up. I don't know where the gasket went. But that was all messed up too. But I think I'm going to go ahead and put some gas seal on this wall pipe real quick before I even put this one on here. So let me take off this wall pipe, unfortunately, too. Actually, now I'm thinking about it, I'm not even going to mess with this water pipe because that water pipe is leaking. The flex things on there are busted open, so I'm going to have to get either a new one of those or a new water pipe. I'm pretty sure you can buy the new little, I don't know what they're called, the little freaking things like Chinese handcuffs. But I'm going to go put some gas sealer around there because I'm definitely not trying to have any more leaks right there. I'm very tempted to start this car right now without anything on here. Alright. Check this dang drive shaft. Last time I was up in here, this damn thing was freaking loose. Hey, that ain't look clear right there. I gotta move this exhaust over. This hanger has two positions in it, and I put it on the wrong. Y'all can't see, that's too dark. It has two positions, two holes. I put it on the one too far, so I have to move it over one. So it's in the middle of this exhaust thing right here. This is what I mean right here, how y'all see it's not in the middle. Bro, y'all can see my hair. Yes, I cut my freaking hair. I already put it in the video, so yes, it's gone. We're trying to start swimming now. I ain't gonna touch it, but y'all see, we're trying to swim. And that look 10 times better right there. I think I got everything tightened up. As y'all can see, it's in the middle now. I might have to cut this, not gonna lie. It's in the middle. I think I did everything. I think I'm ready to start it now. If I'm not mistaken, that's everything. By the way, this is not a cold start. It's maybe a freaking, I don't know, this car started earlier. It's not a cold start. It sounds a little deeper. I don't know if I'm tripping or not. Dang, I meant to wipe this little handprint off under there. Oh, well, it'll be all right. Let me go ahead and try to wipe it off. It's in the middle of the day, so I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all some revs. Is that a good angle? not gonna lie, that sounds a lot deeper and more throatier. That's literally what I was trying to go for with that vibrant resonator, but it sounds way better. This car is literally actually a little bit too quiet for my liking. I don't know. I want to hear how it sounds on the outside. Oh yeah, and I'm definitely not using out a flame map on this exhaust. I'm pretty sure that's how the other one got messed up. And the most I'm gonna do is burbles. I'm gonna just make sure I don't do any flame map activities on here. Let me see if I can give y'all a pull up here. I don't have the wind guard on here, so hopefully it's not too much. Shouldn't be. I'm not going fast. I don't speed at all. Aren't too many cars. We got a couple bikes that we're gonna gap today. You want to do a burnout? I gotta break these tires in. My gosh, I'm not recording. I definitely need a goddamn alignment. I could do that. Just give me the keys to the truck. Let me sign the paperwork. I got try to get y'all some downshift since damn wind is kicking. Some normal driving clips, at least I will attempt to. I'm really trying to get y'all some footage of these slow ass cars and not helping. To break away from traffic. I decided I didn't want to do one midway. That scared the hell out of me. I gotta warm up my damn. I gotta let some air pressure out of these front tires. Cause goddamn, I ain't gonna lie. Shit. Bro, I gotta drop some pressure in those front tires. Heck no. My freaking front end went like that in the middle of the damn turn. My car tried to throw itself in the middle of the damn turn, bro. This shit scared the hell out of me. These damn cheap ass Ling tires. Bro, I ain't never in my life threw out the back end around a turn, but these roads are slippery as shit though. Huh? Now I got fucking 40 PSI on my damn tires. That's probably fucking wild. Golly.
Got money on top the safe and straight. I think I need another stash. I'm ballin' like I'm in the NBA. New LV.